is a reflex training device called the shifter. What the shifter does is, through its fully patented training program, it heightens the crossed-extensor reflex. And if you watch my feet right now, I'm going to show a reverse, which is called a progression. I'm going to stop the right foot pad and get it going backwards. Now that looks easy on video, but when you try it yourself, you'll realize it's very difficult at first. It's a very highly technical skill that takes many repetitions in order to be able to learn how to do properly. Watch, I'm going to reverse the left, stop, and reverse. But once you get the timing down, it's effortless. Now, there's other progressions. Let me show you a few more before I get into more detail about what the shifter does. Both of the foot pads are moving forward. And I'm going to speed up the left foot pad and catch it up to the right. This is what's called a tandem. In order to do a tandem properly, where it looks like both foot pads are just one big foot pad and they're stuck together, I have to have perfect balance, perfect symmetry, stay dead center in the middle, and have really good symmetrical communication with my right and left leg. And watch, I'm going to bring it out just a little bit, and you see the right foot pad is actually in the lead. It's hitting the bottom before the left. I call that a canter. Now I'm going to open it up even more into a pure alternating right, left. Now these run on inertia momentum, big flywheels that I have counterweighted and set up just perfectly for training. And that you can see that by me lifting up my right foot. Watch this. I'm going to go up onto my left. You see the right one keeps moving. I could reverse my left. Right one's still going forward, left's going backwards, and now I reverse my left again. That's unilateral proprioceptive work. This is bilateral proprioception. That's the heart and soul of speeding up the crossed-extensor reflex. Making it so fast that you can't sprain your ankle if it's non-impact. You come down from a rebound, let's say in basketball, land on someone's foot, start to roll your ankle, you'll retract away from that sprain, stop producing force immediately. We're talking under 30 milliseconds you stop producing force. The ankle sprain takes more than double that to actually get into tearing of ligaments. So as you pull away, the other contralateral extremity slams down and takes over force production. Roll here, pull away, slam down. That's the cross-extensor reflex. It's a very well studied reflex that's naturally wired into human beings, but isn't fast enough in most athletes and most people nowadays because of the predictable surfaces to be able to handle prevention of injuries. You see it in children at a fast enough speed. If they run across toys and they start to trip over something, you don't see a kid blow out his ankle or his ACL. A child doesn't do that because they haven't deadened their cross-extensor reflex to such an extent as athletes and adults. What the shifter does is puts it back in there much faster than it ever was, and much faster than anything else can. This is about 3 times faster than you could ever get from any other type of training. So there it is.